Hey you guys, this is Princess back with another YouTube video. I know I said that all my videos wouldn't be about hair, but I had a perfect opportunity to show you how to get your hair together for a wig install on my cousin here, Ariel. Ariel found a wig that is $50 and it's a synthetic wig, but it's so nice and the hair is so thick and curly, so I wanted you guys to see me put it in. I'm gonna put the information for the wig up under the video, so if anybody wants to order it, it'll be in a link in my bio. So here we are. We're blowing Ariel's hair out because not only does she want the wig, which is a wig that you put on and take off. It's not glued down. She wants a protective hairstyle done to her head because she's in the house and she just doesn't want to wear a wig all day long. She wants something else done to it. So what we're doing here is we're being creative. We are blow drying her hair out so that when I braid her hair down, I'm going to give her some nice and neat straight backs that she can wear when her wig is not on. Therefore, she's going to have two hairstyles in one. I separated her hair and I blow dry it by section so that it wouldn't be so much because she do have a full head of hair. And after I got it as straight as I needed it to be, I started giving her some braid straight back. So now that it's blow dried, I am sectioning it off so that I can get my braids in order. I put some hair lube in her hair by Alicia So Awesome, and I also put some strengthener in her hair so that she wouldn't have any flyaways or fuzzy hairs. And I just combed through it and I started to braid. So this is the wig, and I never took it out the pack when I got it. She ordered this wig, and you guys, this wig is only $50. It only took 2 days for it to come also. When I got the wig and put it on her, I had to adjust it a bit, and there are straps in the inside for you to adjust the wig to your head. But I also had to keep going through it because the curls had gotten flat from being in the pack for so long, I guess. But once you keep going through it, the curls will start to come out. I also sectioned it off and I cut through the ends and I layered the front just to give it some definition. She wanted a bang with it. So I cut the bang, but not too much because it's curly, so you want it to kind of hang over your eyes a little bit. I'm going to show you how I did that. But I did go through and I cut layers around the sides, and I cut the front so that it could be a bang for her, and if she want to wear it to the side, she can. And then I also went and clipped the ends because it was kind of long at the bottom, so I clipped it. So I guess you just do it to whatever one you prefer, but I clipped it to a different length than what the actual wig came. After that, I went through it again just to get comfortable with how the curls are, and then I proceeded to do some edges in the front. Here is the finished product. She loves it so much. I cut a little more around her face just so that her cheekbones can show, but I still love it. Remember that, you guys, this wig is not glued down, so she can pull this off whenever she wants, sit it right on the mannequin head, and wear her braids with no problem. We love the finishing touches, and I will be back with more for you as soon as I get it done, but it'll be soon, believe me, it will be soon. Anyway, I loved how it turned out, and she loved how it turned out, so see you guys soon.